It is obvious to make mistakes. Everyone does. But sometimes these mistakes cost you your effort, time, and money. And at that point of time, we wonder if we already knew what to do and what not to. Same applies while marketing on LinkedIn. Running ads on LinkedIn can make or break you. A well planned campaign will lead you to generate more traffic, where ad campaigns with wrong targeting or wrong planning are a waste of your money and efforts. So, in this lecture, we will cover some mistakes which you must take hold on when running a LinkedIn ad campaign. No goal setting. Goal setting is the foremost step of LinkedIn ad campaign, and not just LinkedIn. Goal setting, be it for any platform, forms a base for your strategy. Without any objective in mind, you cannot give a strategic start to your campaign. Before beginning any ad campaign, make sure you have a clear goal in mind. Try to answer questions like, what do you expect from the campaign? What results do you want? What do you want to extract from that particular ad campaign? And many more questions like this. No tracking. Another common mistake is keeping no track of your ad campaign. You must keep a consistent and regular check on how your ad is doing. Tracking doesn't mean to have a constant gauge on the analytics page of your campaign, but a well track of your campaign will help you drive out finding if you are not getting expected impressions, or if your ad is not doing as good as you projected them before. Wrong target audience. This is most stressful mistake anyone could ever make. The whole purpose of running an ad is to make your target audience aware of your brand or company. Aiming for the right kind of audience is must. But if you are running an ad for your company and it doesn't seem to be getting results, there's a good chance that you have targeted the wrong audience. For example, if you are an animation designing school, you need to target students looking for animation courses or have interest in learning animation instead of cooking or writing, let's say. Too short ad campaigns. You must never expect an overnight conversion or results from your campaign. And LinkedIn is not a platform to run a 3-day ad. LinkedIn itself needs 7 to 10 days of data to deliver your purpose, but because LinkedIn's CPC is comparatively higher than other social media platforms, it would be tough to cut costs for you as a marketer. In that case, go for small daily budget, enough to give 5 to 10 clicks daily. This way you can run your ad effectively. Wrong CTA. CTA, call to action. It is the final action that you want your visitor to perform. Visit the link, read more, subscribe to our newsletter, buy now are some CTA buttons. When you decide for the ultimate goal of your campaign, then and there decide for the relevant CTA. You will see a CTA on every LinkedIn ad, but just having a CTA is not enough. You need to make sure that your CTA is relevant and encourages your visitor to perform exactly what you want them to perform in the end. For example, if you are launching a course on graphic designing and want students to join demo classes, a register CTA button with a form will perfectly fit with the purpose. You can never eliminate errors and mistakes. No one can. But having a firm hold with a view to minimize the worst effect is all you should aim for.